guys, thanks for watching this video. Please remember to click subscribe and click the notification bell so you can stay updated with all my new videos. Thank you.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about it, boom, about it, bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again.
いい感じですね。みーちゃん700票超えてますから、持っていかれないだけ気をつけてください。10回頑張ります。皆さんは漢字を数えてくださいね。いきます。みーちゃんの復帰。よいしょ。1回、2回、3回、4回、5回頑張って、6回、7回、8回、9回、ラスト10回やってきました。
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.